Hi guys, this is Shelly with WeCanMakeThat.me, inspiring you to create. And today I'm going to show you how to finish cutting this image. I just showed you how to upload an SVG, so if you want to catch that, go watch the video prior to this one. In this one, I wanted to show you how when you put it in there, you can see that there's 4 different colors. So you have 4 different pieces of paper that you need to cut. So I wanted to show you how that all works. When you import it, the SVG, it is all grouped together. So you can ungroup it if you want. I wanted to show you the different, just a couple of the things over on this right hand panel. So this little line right here is a dotted line, and you can either cut that line or you can score it. So if you don't have the scoring tool, the Cricut one that I have is white and it has a pink tip on it, and then the metal point, and that's what Cricut uses to score. And you can tell that they are the scoring tool by these little icons. So if you click on any of these images right next to your design, it'll show you which one it is. Now you can see that this little dotted line is the score tool, so the red arrow means that there is no color option. And this guy right here, this is the card with the score through it. And that one I just have set up in this salmon color, but you can go ahead and click on the color circle and then select whichever color you want. And I'm very visual, so sometimes I like to match those up with the color paper I'm actually cutting, especially if you're doing, you know, this one has 4, but some of them have a lot more, so that makes it a little bit easier to organize your paper. And then when you go to the next step, your mats will be coordinated to those colors too, so that makes it a little bit easier to make sure you get the right one in there. Some of these you can go in and do score. You can see all I did was clicked on the image of the little scissors, and then I just switched over to score, and then whatever your piece of paper is, it would just trace it and do an embossing or a scoring of the outline. But we don't want to do that, so I'll switch that back. So that's about it for that. It's pretty simple. This one I'm going to just go ahead and click and drag and grab both these items, the scoring and the card, and then I'm going to attach them, and that way it won't try to put them each on their own separate mat. So then the next step would just be, you could save it from here. I already have this file saved somewhere else, so you can save it, name it whatever you want, and then click Make It. You can see it said sorting projects by color. So right there is our coffee cup lid, and here is the score and then the card. So you just have to make sure you have your scoring tool in for that one. There's the coffee cup wrap, and then there's the coffee cup tag. So if you want to print them all on one 12 by 12 page, you just have to go back one more step, just hit cancel, and then change all those colors to the same color on the little circle. You would just change all these. So I think that is about it. So then the next thing to do would have just been hit cut, and then you just arrange your mats as you're putting them in. They'll go in the order that it was shown. So that's it for right now. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Just comment on the links below. Thanks.